Coming up in primetime news this evening, details about the number of schools affected by COVID-19, increased police presence in Manchester on the heels of tighter curfew measures, and more bloodletting in Kingston Western Police Division.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Vashon Brown. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, e-prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Tonight, we're asking, do you believe a state of emergency would have prevented the recent crime wave?
Of course, you can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and a tweet at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. The Primetime News package returns right after this break.